Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to review private variables in a class. So we would like to write a program that declares a private variable within the body of a class. And we are going to have two functions, one get function and one set function. The set function is going to help us to access the private variable outside of the class, and the get function is going to calculate the area of a circle. So here you see that I am defining a class called circle. I'm having one private variable called radius. It's a float data type. And in the public part, I'm having two functions. The first function is a set radius function. It's a void type, so it's not going to return anything and it accepts one argument r. So basically, when this function is called, the argument that is passed in the parentheses for this function is going to be set to the radius variable here. So we are going to use this set radius function to set a value for this private variable outside of the class. And then we are having another function called getArea, and it is going to do some calculation for us. This function is going to calculate the area of a circle with a radius that is already set here, and this is the formula for the calculation. Okay, so let's jump into the int main function. Here I am creating an object called C from the class circle, and I'm calling this function. In order to call this function, I'm writing down the name of the object, which is C dot the name of the function, and this function requires one argument, and the argument is 5. So I'm setting number 5 to be the value of this radius variable, which is a private variable. How? By calling this function. I'm calling this function with the argument 5, which is here, and this argument is set to be the value of the radius variable, which is the private variable here. Okay, and then in order to show the area of the circle with radius 5, I'm calling the getArea function, and getArea function basically is going to have the 3.14 multiplied by radius, which is the formula of the area of a circle, and do the calculation for me and return the output. So let me run this code. So the area will be 78.5. Basically, in this code, what I did was I created an object. I called the function. So when I call this function, let me type it down here. Radius equals 5. Why? The reason is I'm calling this function with the argument 5 here. So this 5 is set for the radius variable, which is this variable, which is the private variable. So because it is a private variable, it is not directly accessible from the int main function. We need to access it through a function that is defined within the body of this class. Okay, so I'm setting number 5 for the radius, and then I'm calling this getArea function to do the calculation for me. So basically this function is going to return the output of 3.14 times 5 times 5. Why times 5? Because the radius was already assigned the value 5, and it is going to do the calculation for me and return the value, and the returned value is going to be shown here in the output. So when I run the code, you see area in the terminal and then the number that is calculated using the getArea function. So in this lecture, we reviewed how to declare a class and private and public variables, and then how to set a value for a private member of a class using a set function, and how to have an output using a get function for that private variable in a class outside of the class. Thank you for watching.